Hello, welcome to this course, AI Agent for Sales and Marketing Automation. So in this course, we are going to be building a complete automated lead pipeline, right? This course is a practical build-along course on anything and it's going to automate your entire sales pipeline from starting from lead scraping to qualifying your lead to deduplicating and cleaning your data up to sending your personalized code message, right? So if you are in the sales or marketing um, niche, you already know that 60% of your time is being wasted or is being spent on tasks that actually don't close the deals, tasks that are repetitive, tasks that are boring, that are daunting, right? From prospecting to qualifying leads to writing code emails to following up to checking if people are even responding and doing it all over again. That's actually what makes it very time consuming and very daunting. And at the end of the day, you get to realize that you are not actually selling. You're spending a lot of time doing the admin work when in fact you are meant to be focusing on conversations that actually matters, right? So this is exactly what this course is going to be doing for you. This course is going to be giving you the opportunity to be able to focus on conversations that actually matter, right? So an average sales rep every single day, their activities is going to be like searching for leads, maybe on LinkedIn or websites or any platform that they use, and finding their contact information, qualifying them, scoring them right, and now sending personalized outreach. Imagine you want to reach out to 100 people in a day. That's already too much work for you. And then at the end of the day, you don't even you don't even get the time to actually check your strategy to see how the work is moving forward, right? So now imagine that all of this is being done automatically for you. So in this course, you're going to be building AI agents that handle the entire prospecting and outreach pipeline for you, right? So this is just an example of what our workflow looks like from lead generation to data processing to the duplication. Data processing because you want to make sure that you actually have to filter your data just like you would filter your data when you're doing manual prospecting. You don't want to take all the data, you just filter for certain things that you want to work with. And the duplication to also make sure that you are not getting the same lead twice, right? Even as human, you make errors, right? And that's one the advantage of using this automated system. It's actually the duplicate and make sure that you're not reaching out to the same lead more than once. Then prioritization where it's able to qualify and score your leads before routing them into their separate nurture sequence, right? And then when they get into the nurture sequence, this is actually the data, an example of the data that was pulled by the automated system. And as you can see, it's very neat and it's actually able to also score them and route them into whether they are hot, warm, or they are cold lead. So after routing them, it is also able to actually nurture the sequence based on their category, right? Of course, you know that you'd want to give more advantage, more priority to the hot leads, right? You want to message them immediately and you want to follow up consistently. And then the next priority would be the warm lead followed by the cold lead. So it is actually able to do that without you having to lift a finger, right? And at the same part. So this course is actually for you if you're a sales rep, you're a marketing manager, you're a growth hacker or an agency owner, or even a freelancer or you own a business, right? You don't need to be technical, you just need to be able to use anything or any automation to basically, right? And before you know it, you'll be able to set up all of those things in your own system. So having listened to all of this, I am convinced that you know that this is actually a system that is actually costing a lot of business and a lot of companies. Companies will pay thousands of dollars to actually get this bit for themselves. So, and if you're also a company owner, you're an executive, being able to build this for your own work will save you a lot of money and time, right? You're going to be able to build this yourself when you enroll for this course, right? So I'll see you in the course.